Hello and welcome to this lecture. Dimension 1. More people through the door. It means increasing the number of people who became aware of your brand and would be interested in your products or services. Some of them will purchase and some might not. The more the interested people or more people through the door, the higher the probability of getting sales. As a business owner, you must try to accelerate the customer acquisition with as less marketing costs and advertising costs as possible compared to your total revenue. This means that the average cost for creating value that results in outbound transaction shouldn't be too high and leave you with decent net profits. Now, you should remember that it is not about the overall costs, but costs compared to the net profits. So, if you are generating net revenue of, let's say, 1 million per year and your customer acquisition costs are 200,000 US dollars per year, and the cost of producing the products and services climbed to $200,000 per year. It means that you paid $400,000 in total in form of expenses. It simply means that you have made a net profit of $600,000 per year, which shows that you have a good business and you are profitable. Therefore, getting more people through the door with reasonable costs is an art which you must master as an entrepreneur. Here are various ways in which you can optimize your business along this dimension. Number 1, attending local and regional events. For example, gathering in cafes, socializing events for entrepreneurs, and other social events. Number 2, word of mouth and influencer marketing. Number 3, association, which is very important, and if your brand is visible in good places, it will definitely enhance your brand perception and get you good customers who will pay premium if the quality is good. For example, if you are a florist, you should try to place your bouquets on the tables of one or more high-end cafes. Good for your brand and good for the owners of the cafes too. Some of the people will definitely buy from you, and if the flowers look good and if they smell good, it will definitely enhance your brand perception, and of course it will enhance your brand awareness also in parallel. Number 4, you can place the ads of your business in key places such as supermarkets and cafes. Ask for permission and just go for it. Where the people mobility is good, this is where you should be interested. This will increase your brand awareness further. Number 5, send your products to the potential customers to test them. For example, if you are a florist, send your bouquets to the key business owners and some of them will definitely buy from you. They will also most likely recommend them to their friends, to their customers and family members which can create a barrage of sales for you. Number 6, show up where the business owners hang out each week or each month and share your business cards with them. Look at the most well-known people, biggest businesses, and see how you can get in front of their customers, especially those businesses which are selling products that are complementary to your products and services. If you get more eyeballs focused on your logo, brand, and product, it will help your brand in getting more recognition. Number 8, leverage other brands to market your products and services. This will work very well in beginning of your entrepreneurial journey. When you are short of resources, you can provide your products or services together with complementary products and services of other businesses to form attractive packages which will get your brand even more recognition. Wrap up. Going back to the transactional model of business, let us see how getting more people through the door will impact your business and convert it into a cash flow machine. Number 1, more customers mean more business transactions and more profitability if the services and products are produced or created efficiently or in a cost-effective manner. Number 2, it will enhance the brand awareness and word of mouth marketing, which at the same time can further get you more clients and more people through the door. Number 3, it can result in confirmation bias, which can enhance the value of your brand. And now the assignment. So write down at least 4 ways in which you can get more people through the door for your business. If you are not a business owner, simply imagine yourself as one and put yourself in the driving seat of a business in the industry of your choice and write them down. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and see you in the next lecture where we are going to discuss the second dimension, which is higher value sales. So, see you there.